Hi, I'm Dr. Dennis Fitch, Doctor of Naturology, or better known as the Doctor of Natural Health. Today on our film we want to talk a little bit about vitamin B. Vitamin B is an interesting vitamin because if you have any neurological problems at all, you just want to take care of them by taking vitamin B. That's probably the simplest and easiest way to go. Many problems such as Parkinson's disease, things like that, can be rectified just by taking high doses of certain types of vitamin B. I've got a chart here so you can see the individual parts of vitamin B that I think are most important, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. So let's take a look at the chart. As you can see on this chart, I've listed 11 parts of vitamin B that I think are fairly important. Let's take the first one, vitamin B1, thiamine. It's known both ways. Thiamine is an interesting product. It's necessary for metabolism of your carbohydrates and energy production. It helps digestion, but it's destroyed by use of alcohol, coffee, tea, and any product that has a sulfur type product in it, sulfates, things like that. Let's take a look at B2. That's riboflavin. Riboflavin helps cells produce energy, aids in the prevention of migraines and cataracts. You use it to regenerate glutathione, and glutathione is one of the properties that helps reduce Parkinson's disease. Now let's go on here to B3, which is niacin. B3 is great for your skin. It's excellent for your nervous system and reconditioning the nervous system. It lowers your cholesterol. Really good product for lowering your cholesterol. One of the problems with niacin and niacinamide is it causes hot flashes. So when you take it for a week or two, if you take this by itself, you'll start to feel real hot and sweaty for like an hour after you take it. That's a natural occurrence, but you will get used to it and it'll go away. Now down here we have B5, vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is probably one of the things that's important nowadays because it increases your immune system. It handles stress and allows your immune system defenses to grow up strong. Also reinforces your adrenal system. Let's go down here to B6, pyridoxine. Pyridoxine also is essential for increasing the metabolic rate of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It's used to reduce heart disease, carpal tunnel problems. Also helps aid vitamin B12. And B12, which is cyanocobalamin, many people know it for energy. It helps form red blood cells. It helps prevent nerve damage and anemia. Let's go down here to biotin. Biotin is an interesting product in the fact that it metabolizes protein and fats into energy, but it also produces healthy hair, and it's used sometimes to reduce seborrheic dermatitis, and it's great when we're talking about candida as well. When we look at the next one, number 8, a lot of these aren't found with the B vitamins. Choline, however, is a product that's important. It helps the nerve transmissions, which all these other vitamins, or parts of vitamin B12, send out. The choline helps build those transmissions, helps brain function, helps you take fat out of your liver, so it's also important as a coenzyme for making all these other parts of the B vitamin work. Folic acid, we know that you have birth control or birth issues without the folic acid. It aids in the formation of red blood cells. It's real important for women for cell division and replication, so this is why women have to take folic acid as part of their pregnancy regimen. Folic acid helps in cell division, and without it, you're going to have some birth defects. And down here we've got inositol. Inositol also helps with nerve function for the brain and the muscle. It also helps calm the body slightly, so we find inositol to be pretty important, and it's also important in the regulation of weight control. Then last, para-aminobenzoic acid, PABA is how it's normally known. It helps produce folic acid, so without this you don't have the folic acid. PABA also protects the skin, and from the sun. PABA, for example, you'll find in a lot of sun protection products. So if you want a good sun protection product, this one right here helps aid in healing wounds, and for women, it also helps you prevent from wrinkling, so it's a good product just to rub on your skin. These are your most important, to me, of the B vitamins. When you buy a multiple B vitamin, you can take all these in a nice simple balance. Don't take one of these. You've got to take a whole complex of them to make them work. Then what you want to do, if there's something special you want to do, take a little extra of one of these to make that work more, but make sure you're taking a well-balanced vitamin B to make them all work. Thanks a lot, and that's it for now from us. Bye.